many more. And let's explore our few festivals, temples, and etc. things. I hope you love it then. So now he will continue.
Namaste and a very warm welcome to all distinguished guests to Gujarat. As we say in our culture, Avo Padharo, please come in and make yourself at home. It is my privilege to welcome you to this Viran state, a land where tradition meets modernity and where the spirit of enterprise thrives. Gujarat is not a just geographical location, it is an experience. Known for its incredible 1,600 kilometers of coastline, the historic Sabarmati Ashram, the majestic Asaiti Lions of Gir, and the unique mesmerizing white desert of Kutch. We are honored to have you here and hope your time in Gujarat filled with learning, networking and wonderful experience. Once again a heartfelt welcome to all of you. Jai Jai Garvi Gujarat.
So sir, this is Ambaji temple and this is located in Gujarat Junction, and in this the temple is dedicated to Lord. So sir, this is Ambaji temple and this is dedicated to goddess Durga, and now she will continue about this and explain you.
Ambaji temple in Gujarat. This is district in Banaskantha, and it is built from 1947 and built in 51. ये अंबाजी टेम्पल है, ये बनना स्टार्ट हुआ था
So sir, this is Akshardham temple and this is located in Gandhinagar, Gujarat, and this is dedicated to Lord Swami Narayan, and now he will continue and explain you about this temple.
Akshardham Temple in Gandhinagar, Gujarat is a massive Hindu temple complex inaugurated on November 2nd, 1992, dedicated to Lord Swami Narayan, inspired by Yogi Ji Maharaj and created by Pramukh Swami Maharaj of Bapst Swami Narayan Sanstha. Jai Shri Krishna.
So sir, now this is Somnath temple and this is a massive Hindu large temple, and now she will continue and explain about this temple.
Good morning, sir and ma'am. Jai Shri Krishna. My name is Kushi Gupta and I am class 7th. My topic is Somnath temple. Somnath temple located in Gujarat. Built by the moon god Soma, secured in charity and self of church. सर इसको 17 से 18 बार तोड़ा गया, तो इसको लूटा भी गया। पहले सबसे पहले सोने का था, फिर सोने के बाद जब लूटा गया इसको तब चंद्रदेव ने बनाया था। उसके बाद दूसरी बार त्रेता युग में रावण ने बनवाया था, उसके बाद द्वापर युग में कृष्ण जी ने बनवाया था, फिर उसके बाद कलयुग में।
There are the model of Krishna Janmashtami, and the Krishna Janmashtami is most celebrated in Gujarat, and now he will explain you about more about Krishna Janmashtami. Jai Shri Krishna.
जय श्री कृष्ण सर है। I will explain the topic of Krishna. Krishna Janmashtami celebrated the birth of Lord Krishna. Krishna
अपने बॉर्डर के आसपास में ऊँटों को लेके रोज 70 ऊँट पानी भरने के लिए भुज में आते थे, बड़े बड़े जो कैन लेकर के, बैरल लेकर के। पर आफ्टर द व्हाट यू कॉल ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर का उन्होंने जो वर्क किया वहाँ पे, तो अभी पानी की लाइन जो है वो पाकिस्तान बॉर्डर के आसपास तक की, जिसके हमारे जो फौजी है उनको यहाँ दूर तक आना नहीं पड़ता है और उनका फोकस ज्यादा से ज्यादा बॉर्डर पे हो। और एक रिसेंट प्रोजेक्ट चला वहाँ पर, दैट इज सोलर पावर प्लांट। इंडिया का सबसे बड़ा सोलर पावर प्लांट वहीं पे लगा है, उसी बॉर्डर के आसपास, है ना। और दूसरा हड़प्पा सिविलाइजेशन के बाद धोलावीरा का नाम हमने सुना होगा ना। धोलावीरा इज 7,000 ईयर ओल्ड सिविलाइजेशन का प्लेस है। तो धोलावीरा इज ऑल्सो लोकेटेड इन रन ऑफ कच्छ। एंड यू विल अमेज टू नो, भारत का सबसे बड़ा जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट है वो कच्छ ही है।
Now these are the famous food of Gujarat. Now she will explain and what are the most of food in Gujarat. Now she will explain.
These are the some famous food of Gujarat. Sir, please taste it and give the rate.
I have already tasted in Punjab.
Please, sir, taste it.
Now this is a automobile industry, and as you know, sir, many more industries are in Gujarat. And this is a automobile or car industry, and now he will explain more about this automobile industry.
Good morning, sir, and myself is Anshul. My topic is automobile industries of Gujarat. Gujarat has transformed into a major global auto manufacturing, expanding now. Driving by its prevention-friendly, strong infrastructure hard like SIRS, Mandal Bacharji was significant, and investment giants like Tata Motors, Maruti Suzuki, Honda, and Anji.
We have to see a pharmaceutical industry. More about medicines. Now India is very improving about the pharmaceutical industries. Now she will explain you about this pharmaceutical industry.
Good morning, everyone. It's better ladies and teachers and my dear friends. My name is Aditya Yadav. My name is Aditya Yadav. I am from class 7. Today I am going to present in my model pharma industry in Gujarat, Ahmedabad and Baroda considered as a pharmaceutical.
समझे आपको फैक्ट्री शुरू करना है, बहुत things you are going to keep in your mind. मेरे पापा से पैसे मांग रहे हैं.
Now this is a felt making industry, and this is also a textile market about and this is an industry. Now he will tell you how the cells are made and sold in India.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Ashish Singh. I am from 7th standard. My topic is salt industry. Gujarat is the backbone of Indian salt industry, producing 75% of the national salt. It is the third largest producer of the salt. One day it produced one ton of the salt and it is closing back. First, ओशियन से पहले वाटर निकाला जाता है, उसके अंदर आफ्टर पहले क्लोजिंग, इसके अंदर जो भी होता
Now he will explain about this agriculture farming of Gujarat, and as you know, agriculture is very important for us, and it is most important thing when for our living organisms and others. Yes. And now he will explain about this agriculture of Gujarat.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. My name is Anup Tiwari, and I am from 7th standard.
of Sabarmati Ashram, and as you know, there's the Gandhiji live, Mohan Das Karamchandra Gandhiji lives in this, and now he will explain about this ashram.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Saurav Yadav and I am from 7th standard. My partner name is Ayush Yadav, Happy Yadav, Shubham Iskarma, Anand Moria. And my topic is Narendra Modi Stadium and Ashram.
Now, sir, this is a tourist spot and where the famous tourists from the outer countries come and see the and explore these tourist spots. And now he will explain about this stadium, the Statue of Unity, and Gir National Park or dams and others.
Good morning everyone, my name is Shubham Iskarma. I am from 7th standard. Today I am going to represent Narendra Modi Stadium. The Narendra Modi Stadium is world largest cricket stadium.
It was New Gujarat, and I am requesting you to explore more states represented by our school.
और इंडिया में कहीं लाइन मिलते हैं सिर्फ यहीं पे गुजरात में मैं बताता हूँ पूरे एशिया में लायंस जो है वो सबसे सुंदर और अच्छे लायंस दे आर देयर ओनली इन गुजरात, इसके लिए फेमस है।
Temple, and this is located in Mahesana Junction, and in this a dance produced named as Modhera Dance Festival. Now he will continue and explain about Modhera Sun Temple or more.
Jai Shri Krishna sir and ma'am. My name is Siddhant Yadav. I am from 7th standard. My topic is Modhera Sun Temple. Modhera Sun Temple built in 1206 27th century by King Bhima of Solanika dynasty. Modhera Sun Temple in Gujarat is a masterpiece of Maru Gujara's architecture dedicated to the song God Surya. Thank you.
So sir, this is Ran Utsav, a festival made behind the ground of Modhera Sun Temple. This is made, and now he will continue and explain about this festival more.
Jai Shri Krishna sir and ma'am. Good morning. My name is Soham Devi Prasad Patra. I am from 7th standard. I am representing the model of Ran Utsav. Ran Utsav is a spectacular 3 months of tourism festival held from November to February. It white sun.